Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw a Mega Minion surprise fold from the new Despicable Me. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Mega Minion surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to begin by lining up the corners and giving it a nice fold down the middle. This way it kind of looks like a birthday card. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time and give it another fold. This way it kind of looks like a bookmark. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. And I always like to turn my paper this way for the fun surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin with the Mega Minion Jerry. And we want to start with his mouth in the middle of the paper. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to come up. We're going to go down, and then we're going to come back up and down here. Almost kind of looks like a little hot dog right there. Next, we're just going to go down and then bring it up here. Now we want to add his teeth in here. So let's begin by just drawing a line that comes straight down past the fold. We'll do one here, and then we'll do one here. Same thing over here. We're just going to go down and then down. Now right up here we're going to make the eye. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to make a nice big circle for the eye. And then inside of here, I'm going to make another circle. And this will be kind of like the little glasses that they wear. Next, starting here, let's draw a line that's going to go down and up. And then let's just make a smiley face shape in here. And I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. Now, starting here, I want to draw the body of Jerry. So let's start here, and let's just make a nice big circle shape that's just going to come up and down. Then let's just go ahead and make the bottom. We're just going to kind of go down and then up. Right here, I'm going to go over, down, and in. And same thing here, over, down, and in. Then let's go ahead and draw a straight line here and here, all the way to the edge of the face. And then same thing here, straight line here, and then another straight line right here. Now, let's make his suspenders. So I want to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then we're going to come right up to here. Then I'm going to make this line come in and then back. And then same thing here. I'm going to make this line come in and then back. Then right here, let's just make a square. So we're going to make a line across. We're going to go down, and then a line across. Next, starting here, let's work on his legs. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that comes down, and a line that comes down. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to curve down, and a line that's just going to curve down. We'll make a straight line down here, and then a line that curves across here. Next, let's make his arms. So starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then we're going to kind of hook it like this, so it looks like a hook. We'll do the same thing here, just going to go down, and then we're going to kind of make that hook shape. Next, I want to bring this line in, and we'll bring this line in. Then I'll draw this line up, and I'll draw this line up. I'll curve this line in, and I'll curve this line in. Bring this line up, and bring this line up. Then we're going to make 2 lines here, and 2 lines here for the gloves. Now, our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we open this up, we can see that we have the top half and the bottom half of Mega Minion Jerry. So let's go ahead and start adding all the fun stuff inside. So we're going to fill this up with minions, but the first thing we want to do is let's go ahead and bring this line down, and then let's go ahead and bring this line down. Then we want to bring this line up and this line up. Now let's go ahead and finish these teeth. So let's draw a line that's just going to go down and up, over and up, over and up, and we're going to continue this all the way across just to make the teeth of our Mega Minion Jerry. Now let's do the same thing here. Let's bring this line over and down, over and down, over and down, over and down, and we'll do this all the way across. Now, our next step is we're going to put the other 4 Mega Minions inside of here. We're going to have to draw these guys a little bit smaller, but we want to put all of them in here. So let's go ahead and start with Mega Minion Dave first. So the first thing we want to do is let's just kind of start with the body. So let's begin by drawing a line that's going to come up. We're going to go over, and then let's bring it back down. And you can see it's wider at the top and skinnier at the bottom. Next, let's go ahead and make the eyes. So we're going to draw a circle right here. And then let's go ahead and make another circle right here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up and around the eye. And then same thing here, we're going to curve this up and around the eye. Let's go ahead and make a line that goes down and up. And then we're going to make 2 little half circles in here for the pupils. Then let's make a line here and a line here, and then a line here and a line here for the goggles. And I always like to add a little line on each side. Next, starting here, let's go ahead and make a line that's going to come up. It's going to go over and then down at an angle. And then let's make this line across. Then let's make his mouth in here. We're just going to go up, over, and then down. Now for his suspenders, let's just draw 2 lines that come down here, and then 2 lines that are going to come down here. Now let's make his big muscle arms. Let's start by drawing a line that's going to curve up and down, and then one here that's going to go up and down. Then let's bring this line up and this line up. We're going to bring this line around, and we're going to bring it down to here. Same thing here. Let's just bring this line around. We're going to bring it down and over. Let's curve a line here, curve a line here. And we'll make a line here and a line here. Now let's add another minion. So let's go ahead and let's begin by adding Mega Minion Tim over here. So to start off with Mega Minion Tim, let's go ahead, we'll start here, and let's just begin by making a line that's going to curve up and then we're just going to curve it back down here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a circle for an eye. And then let's make another circle for the eye right over here. Let's go ahead and make a line that's going to come up and around. And then same thing here. Let's come up and around. Then we'll make 2 lines for the little strap. Now right here, I'm going to make a little circle for the pupil, and I'll make another one right here. Now, I want to make his suspenders real quick. So I'm going to begin right here by drawing a line that's going to go down and up. And another one's going to go down and back. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and down. Then for the mouth, let's make a little smiley face, and then a tall smiley face. We can just color that in. Now, for the arms, we're going to make them really wavy. So let's begin by drawing a line that's going to go out. It's going to curve around like this. Well, let's draw that same shape. We're just going to kind of curve this line right around here. Then right here, we'll draw a line and another little line to kind of start the glove. Then we're just going to make some bumps. We'll make 1, 2, 3, and then 4 little bumps. And I'll do the same thing up here. Let's make like a wavy line, and then a second wavy line. We'll make 2 little lines. And then we'll make some bumps. We'll just go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, over here, let's go ahead and add Mega Minion Mel. So, to start off with this, let's begin by drawing a line that's going to come up. We're going to curve it around and then bring it down. Now, starting here, let's make a circle for the eye. And then let's go ahead and make another circle around it for the goggles. Then we're going to make a line that's going to go up, over, and then down, because he's got that special kind of X-ray eye. We'll make 2 lines here, and then 2 lines here. And then we'll put a little line down. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up and down. And then we're just going to make a little smiley face that we color in. And then I like to add a little curve here to kind of show where the suspenders are going to be. And then we can make a little arm out of here. We can make a line that comes up and another line that comes up. 2 lines down. And then we can just make 4 little bumps on there for the fingers. And then finally, let's add Mega Minion Gus up here. So to start off with this, let's begin by making a line that's just going to curve up to a point, and then it's going to come back down. And then we're going to bring this line down and over. I want to make 2 circles right here, so we're going to make a circle here and a circle here. Then I'm going to curve a line around, and then I'll curve another line around. Then I want to put a little black dot inside each one. Then for his suspenders, let's draw a line here. Then I want to make a line that's going to come in and then out. Then for his legs, let's just draw a line down and over. And then a little line down here. And a little line there. Next, let's bring a line that's going to come up and down. And then a little smile right there. And we can also bring 2 lines here. Now for his arm, let's bring a line that's going to come up, and then a second one here. We'll make 2 lines, and then I want to curve a line around. Then I want to make 1, 2, and then 3 bumps. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to go out and then in for his other arm. And then I want to make a line that's going to come down to here, and then it's going to come across for like his little cape. Now our next step is going to be to finish this off. So here's how we're going to do this. Let's go ahead and bring Jerry's mouth down here, and we're going to bring it here. And then I want to bring it up and up. Next, I want to bring this line down, and I want to bring this line down. Then I'm going to bring this line up, and I'll bring this line up. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Mega Minion surprise fold. So, when we have it all folded up, we have Mega Minion Jerry just standing there, but when we open it, we have all the other Mega Minions popping out. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.